Why?
You just did. That's what,
What the?
There were no Kim Kardashians, there were
A
no
little
Nicki
ass.
Minaj's
The
with
fuck?
asses out to there. There were like skinny supermodels. And
So like fucking crackhead
no,
Crackhead girls?
not that skinny, but nobody wanted that.
shit.
So,
What the black guys
times
want?
have changed.
With the fat ass, right?
Huh?
The white guys want the small ass. Fat ass.
Well, my husband's white. We're of similar age.
You know damn well he masturbates to black bitches online.
He does not like,
He doesn't? Oh, really? How do you know? Are you sure? 100% sure it
I'm
is?
pretty sure.
Can I check
Yeah,
in
so
the
doesn't
history?
like large women.
I like fat bitches. I don't know why. I love them.
Really? I see you with so many fat chicks too.
Good one. Good one. Let's talk about Nani, right?
She's not fat. Alright, anyways.
Good one. Let's not serious.